Welcome back. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Welcome back. What's up, Kingdom? Thank you for being in it. Thank you for just coming back, man. Every single day, almost every single day. I mean, thank you for coming back. But I'm surprised you ain't even in here first, man. That's just crazy. Kingdom in the chat. He's first in the chat. Usually I see him come like every 5 minutes later or 10 minutes later, but he's in the chat. What's up, man? Good to see you this morning. Oh, I ain't got my stuff up. Give me 1 sec, y'all. Let me put everything back up. What just happened? Give me a second. Give me a second. Come on. Come on, PC. All right, hopefully sooner or later. Okay, there, everything loaded up. There we go. There we go. What's up, Kingdom? Let's be great. Glory be to God. Yes, yes, yes. Man, I woke up this morning, man. Oh, man. Whatever happens today, it is what it is, right? Whatever happens today, it is what it is. What's up, Random? Good to see you. Random Entertainment. Good to see you in the chat. All right, so look, I'm gonna just go ahead and get to the scripture, right? You know, that's what we came for. You know, that's what we came for, right? That word, that holy word, that eternal word, been here since the beginning of time. Excuse me. All right, let's get it. Psalms chapter 34, verse 8. Taste and see that the Lord is good. Blessed is the one who takes refuge. Blessed is the one who takes refuge in him. Fear the Lord. You is his holy people. For those who fear him lack nothing. Guys, it's easy, it's easy to say these. It's so easy to say these words. Easy to just keep repeating these words, refuting these words over and over. See God, look for God, talk to God, and we're going to be blessed. But you have to really, really feel that in your heart. We have to really feel this in our heart. James chapter 1, verse 22. But don't just listen to God's word. You must do what it says. Otherwise, you are only fooling yourselves. If I'm not, I might read the word one day and I'm really in the spirit, like, yes. And then maybe a second I'm just reading it and then I'm looking in the mirror and I'm just not fooling myself. I'm not really taking in what it's saying. I'm just fooling myself. So we must not just listen to what God's word is. We must do what it says, right? For if you listen to the word and don't obey, it's like glancing at your face in the mirror. You see yourself, walk away, and forget what you look like. That's crazy. But if you look carefully into the perfect law that sets you free, and if you do what it says and don't forget what you heard, then God will bless you for doing it, right? Right here where it says, but if you look carefully into the perfect law, what does that mean? The perfect law, right? What does that mean? What's up? What's up? Elevating? What's up, Eaton? Tristan? Right? If you do what it says. No, what I'm saying is, if you look carefully into the law, you see that it's perfect, right? Some people may not believe in the word, Some people may not believe in the scriptures. They might say, oh, man wrote it. If you think about it for a second, as men and women, we tend to want to do things fleshly, right? We want to sin. We don't want to stop lying, stealing, lusting, cheating, right? Anger, slander talking. We tend to like doing those things. We love the slander. We like to slander and talk bad about neighbors and our friends and our family. We like doing it. We like to be above other people. We like to think of ourselves smarter than other people, right? We think about lust and maybe cheating here and there, right? We do these things. But you're telling me, if man wrote this word, what man in their right mind would want to stop man from just living their life and fulfilling it and doing whatever they want, right? Think about that. These are God-inspired words. God's words, his breaths, literally spewed out from man. The Spirit of God. This is the true word. This is the perfect law. There's no denying this law. We're gonna trade some Popeyes for sure. I mean, they do got the BOGO. Hey, Popeyes do got the BOGO sale. They do got the BOGO sale. You buy the 6 wings, and then you get another 6 wings for free, right? But other than that, man, we have to respect what the law is saying. It's perfect. There's no denying the law. Excuse me. There's no denying the law, right? We must listen to God's word and we must obey what it says. What is faith? What is works? What's faith without works? It's dead. We can't just be faithful. We got to do the work, right? Glory be to God. So, like I say, guys, like the word say, if you do what it says and don't forget what you heard, you do what the word says, God will bless you for doing it. He knows your heart. You can't fool him. He knows. He the one created it. He created the feelings. He created the emotions, right? He created the look. He created the actions. He knows. So we're going to do the right thing. We're going to do the right thing today. We're going to have faith. We're going to obey his word. We're going to trust in him. We're going to call on him. We're going to thank him. We're going to ask for repentance of our sins, right? We are his holy people. He commands us to be holy as he is holy, right? So like I was saying, guys, taste and see that the Lord is good. We give our life to the Lord. You might come across videos on TikTok, Instagram, and it's like, man, you hear a testimony and you start getting these feelings like, yeah, man, this is what I'm feeling. I'm feeling this in my heart, right? You feeling those testimonies. But then we walk away and forget everything we heard or everything we seen. We can't forget. This word is eternal. It's forever. It's everlasting. So if we stick to the word, meditate on it day and night, we will be blessed and we will see many years to our life, right? So make sure that y'all seeking his wisdom. Seeking God's wisdom. Put y'all faith in the Lord. Y'all will be blessed. It's unlimited on what he can do in your life. I'm just letting you know that. It says it right here in Psalms 34, chapter 34, verse 8. Taste and see that the Lord is good. That's what is that? A parable. Give him a try and watch the goodness he will do in your life. Blessed is the one who takes refuge in him. Fear the Lord. And meaning is respect him. Respect that he is almighty and all powerful. He is Alpha and Omega and he can do anything, right? You is his holy people. He loves you. For those who fear him lack nothing. Glory be to God. Let's get into it. If y'all want to hear that word again, just let me know in the chat. And you know, Popeyes, we're gonna trade some Popeyes stock, but Popeyes got a BOGO sale today. Well, they've been having a BOGO sale for like a week. I ate some and my stomach was, I ain't gonna lie, my stomach wasn't so good. Flavor on Popeyes mac and cheese is crazy. You're crazy, eating. You're crazy. I don't know if anybody ever told you, but you're crazy. My guy is crazy. Oh, got these executions up. Let me take them off real quick. I actually gotta put this up 1,500 for the liquidation on this combine. Also, I got what's that? Executions. I need to take that off. Now you know churches, bro. Churches. You talking about what's more ghetto, bro? Churches. I mean, I was raised up on churches. That's crazy. That's crazy. But hey, don't get it twisted though. Churches be smacking, especially they biscuits though. Man, I love them savory biscuits, man. Them things good. KFC's biscuits. Oh, churches biscuits, man, they be hitting, man. You won't get it like that. That stuff sweet. They got a nice little menu. Can't hate though, for real. You may not like the environment. It may be looking like grease on the floor all the time, but hey, hey, you can't go wrong with it. To be honest, you know. Hey, Kingdom, no, that's crazy. Man. All right, what we doing? What we doing today, man? Look at all this. Look at all this flip flopping. Let me know if you missed that word. I can get back to it. All right. Let's see what we got. A lot of rejection, man. Look at these days. Oh, let me get rid of all this stuff, all this noise. For real, that's crazy. That's crazy. Boy, it's not lying. Alright. Man, we're gonna have to get a new computer. I want y'all to see me like smooth one day. Like I don't want to be lagging no more. We're gonna get it. We're gonna hustle. I don't like spending too much money. I like saving my money though, but at the same time, I'm gonna work for it. We're gonna work on it. Please, computer, be nice to me today. Please, be good. Be good. Please be good. Don't go crazy on me. Be good, PC. Don't go crazy on me. Be good. I ain't even asking for too much. All I'm asking for is the stream. What's up, CJ? All right, let me get rid of all these little spots. Do we have any news today? Probably not really. Let me check. I don't think we really have much news, though. Market do open in 15 more minutes, though, so we good. Let's consider this like the talking time before I really hop into the, we get into zones. Okay, we got manufacturer PMI 830, something maybe slight. Oh, we got President Lagarde speaks 9:15. Crude oil inventories 9:30. Oh yeah, we're gonna be out of there. We're gonna be out of there by the time, yeah, market open. Yeah, we good. We good. We good. My 3 top chicken spot biscuits. 3 top chicken spots. I ain't gonna say chicken spots. Dang, but hey, I ain't gonna lie. I like Texas Roadhouse biscuits a lot. They not biscuits, those rolls. Never mind, I take that back. My top 3, I'm gonna be honest with you. I like Popeyes, but I think I ate it too much. I'm gonna have to go with KFC. It's something about them fluffy biscuits, bro. They fluffy. I don't really, you might have some cool chicken spots in your area, but I only know a couple. It's either gonna be KFC, Popeyes, and then Church's Chicken. If any other place they might serve biscuits, I don't remember. Hey, don't put that. Don't put that as me licking my lips after saying Popeyes biscuits. Bush's Chicken? I think I've heard of Bush's before. Buffalo fries? Hey, he giving y'all that game. Hey, he letting us know. With the honey. Oh man. Y'all about to make me go after this video. What's up, Deontay? It's going pretty good. How about you, man? How you doing? Uh-oh. Hey, you know what's crazy? I was traveling one day in Summer Jingles and I always wanted to stop there and never had a chance to stop. I was on like, I think I went to go see family one time and I was on the road and I saw that store and I was like, wait a minute. I gotta try this place, but never got a chance to do it. I'm meant to get them a try. Bojangles, I've been wanting to get them a try. Man, y'all must live in some spots with a lot of like unique restaurants. Cause I live in Louisiana. I live in New Orleans, so they ain't really got much. We really got the same old Popeyes, KFC and Raising Cane's. That's like, we got all the typical stuff. I know y'all got some dope spots for real. What am I doing? Yeah, back to it. Market opens up in 2 more minutes. I'm setting these highs and these lows so we can find our trade today. See what we got. Thought you was in Texas, my boy. Nah, I don't live in Texas, man. What's crazy? My family just left to go to Texas. That's what's crazy. Like this morning, literally. But I got family that live in Dallas though, and Houston probably too. What's crazy? I used to live in Houston for a few years off of like, I'm gonna say the street, Beechnut Street. I used to live off Beechnut Street for a few years in Houston. I traveled to Dallas a couple of times, but I think I forgot what year that was, but it was on the probably when I was real young though. But I used to live in Texas for real. I used to live in Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas. I've been to mostly every southern state. I haven't really been outside of like other states besides the South. That's what's crazy though. But nah, I'm in New Orleans, man. I'm surprised you didn't even hear it in my I'm surprised you don't even hear New Orleans in my my voice. You know what I'm saying? Like you don't hear it in my language, in my slang. I am from Nuo, the NO from NOLA. Yes. Fair value you got right here, which I don't know why I deleted that. If we could probably get underneath that, we probably gonna bounce off this 4 hour. 4 hour fair value you got right here. You live in Bassinet? Wait, Bassinet? Hey, wait, what you know about that? Hey, wait a minute. Wait, random, you crazy. Hey, we not want to talk about that. Cause hey, we have that's crazy. Out in Midland, Texas, getting that oil field. Wow. That's what's up, bro. Who that? Hey, that's what's up, bro. For real, dang. Boys out there for real. Wow. What was That's crazy, man. You crazy, man. Wow. Man, this world's small. I ain't gonna lie to you. This world's small. This world's so small. You live in the South long enough, you know this world's small. Hey, I was thinking about moving back to Texas. I ain't gonna lie. Thinking about moving like to Katy, Texas, outside of Dallas. I was thinking about getting a home out there. Really thinking about it. Big time. Come on, computer. Don't be doing this hot overheat and stuff. What's up, Riley? Don't do it. I mean, what would this be considered a 4 hour? Look how small. I mean, I can be making real bread, but I've been blowing a lot of accounts. Yeah, you can make real bread on. Yeah, for sure. You can definitely make money on here. You can definitely make money on here. Life changing money, and I'm pretty sure everybody in here can testify. Yes, you can. If you're willing to do the work, you can definitely change your life on here. Yes, they do, man. That's like every time I look on social media, I just see like it's not even just Katy. You know what? My dream place I really wanted to live at was what was it called? Park, Highland Park. Is it Highland Park? That nice suburban area, Highland Park. What is it called? Highland Park. Something like that. Highland is really like suburban over there, man. I really would love to live in that area or somewhere nice and modern, man. Oh man, I want to raise my kids up in like a secluded community, private school. Just get them straight, just have them straight round, like just nice, just nice people that really just got stuff going on for themselves. You know what I'm saying? Hey, that's what's up. That's what's up, Riley. Woodlands, I think that's what it is. Woodlands, something like that. Highland Park, it's something like that. I just gotta look it up again. I'm gonna look it up later though. Rejected hard of the previous day low. Rejected hard on the previous day low. Yes, we did. And also, we got this 4 hour fair value gap. I would like to see us in 36 minutes print within this fair value gap and just bounce and go long. Even though we're bouncing right here. Look at these two lows. Equal lows right here. Bop, bop. Maybe we could print something like this. I love when the candles print right on top of the line, the halfway point. That's how you know that's how you know you're gonna get that bounce or you're gonna get that follow through. That's how you know. I love that, right? Oh, never mind. It's on the 1 hour. What am I speaking? It's on the 1 hour. I don't even gotta see it on the 4 hour. Twice on the 1 hour. Hold up, I'm creating dots. Market opened up in 7 more minutes. I don't know if I want to take this trade, but it might just continue to go long. Triple lows. We don't got equal lows. We got triple lows. Pushing a little higher than sweeping that liquidity at the lows. My bias on a day. Come on, computer. Please be nice to me. Be nice to me. Don't overload, please. We're going to get that computer one day. I gotta just stay focused. I don't want to spend all my other money just to get it. Facts. I really, man, bro, just want to get the kids. I just want to get the kids in a nice area, bro, to meet other kids. And I'm not saying that any place can be bad. It just, I just know when you go into nicer areas, you're gonna be around. So you're gonna be surrounded by opportunities. You're gonna meet people that got businesses going on, networking. Man, that's all I want to do is network. Now, I mean, I know I'm on here, but when you around people, bro, ain't nothing like it. And I don't want to just like do emails all day and say, hey, let's do a collaboration. I mean, that's networking, but I really want to see people face to face. I don't know why my stomach kind of like doing this thing right now, but whew, man. Come on, PC, be sweet to me. Don't go crazy on me. Random says take the shorts, aim for longs tomorrow. Hey, you might say shorts, but I'm looking. I want to see. You might say this is an engulfing candle, but what's short when we could be bouncing off this right here? Just saying. If we bounce off this, we still long, my boy. Just saying. If we bouncing off that, they may not even be no long. Just saying. I mean, they might not be no short. Just saying. Just saying. Hey, we gonna see, because we can still range around and then drop maybe later on. I don't think it's ready. It looks good. Don't get me wrong. I like this. This looks like one of those ICT moves, like a Judas swing. I see you, but hey, if I don't see no break or structure, I don't see no trade. You already know how I trade. That's it. If I don't see no break or structure, I gotta see you gotta break this. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I like going heavy. I like going heavy. That's my style. I like taking that risk, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I like 50 minis. How much you can make a month getting in this? Man, somebody tell him in the chat, bro. Somebody tell him how much you can. Man, there's no cap. It's like nothing. You could do it. You doing your job and you making this on the side, it's unlimited. If you know how to chart, you know how to trade, hold your emotions, you can make as much as you want. Literally in a maybe in a day, but in a month, there's no limit, man. Just go on X. Go on X and look at traders from futures, forex, and look at their payouts. And then come back to me and see when you start seeing 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 a month or in a week. Man, these dudes are really doing it. Man, you can make 10K. Man, you look at Top Step Leaderboard, they make it 20K in profits in a day. These boys are not playing. They are not playing. They really making real bread. Serious though. Hold on, y'all.
He better be being good, y'all.
She choking me out.
Okay. Be good. Open up in 2 more minutes.
Can I get off me? Can you get off me? I got 2 more minutes.
Okay, 2 minutes. Come on, you got this.
Okay.
Pass that combine.
Dang. I got a little boy by my wife. Alright, okay. Be safe out there.
Alright.
And use my card.
Alright.
He said, nah. Dang. I ain't gonna let my wife be working out. She's strong. Strong. Okay. All right, let's get back to it. The kids too, bro. Even though I could, hey, y'all hold me accountable. I like that. Market's about to open in 10 seconds. Let's get it. The thing is, ES is not even moving out. Like, that's the thing. ES is not really going nowhere. I feel like ES still has to take out those highs. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Big push off that, what you call it? Prove you wrong? Hey, that's why you watching me, you watching me. That's why I'm just joking. Hey, I don't see a break or low. I see a triple low, and if I don't see no break, I'm not taking the shorts. We're pushing, like we're literally pushing. Market is open. Look how much we're pushing. We're gonna see. It might be, you know what's crazy? It might be a range though. Dang, come on, computer, chill out, relax, relax. I have to put you in a. Might have to put you in a. Chill. No break of the lows, man. This might be a double, but wait a minute. That told me to prove y'all wrong. I said prove y'all wrong right now. All right, prove y'all wrong. Pushing higher. Those shorts probably short term in my bias. Hey, you might be right. You might be right. You might have the right bias. Might be right. You got this. Hey, we're gonna take our trades. We're gonna see. We're gonna see at the end of the day who made the right decision. And if we made the wrong decision, then it is what it is, man. All right. Oh man, my stomach is getting to me. I ain't gonna lie, I did eat Popeyes last night, and my stomach is like, never again. Might have to stop eating meat, period. Cause gosh, man, this meat, bro, the chicken, the beef, man, it ain't been hitting like it used to. Just swelling me up. Like honestly, where we at with it? Man, that long came in clutch. I ain't gonna lie, but we had to wait too much. I was waiting for market. If you took that long, good job. Bro, am I moving in slow motion? What's going on? I know if it cuts, I'm sorry. Anyways, respect on that. Big push up. We didn't get the break though. I'm looking at 5 minute. I like my high. Okay, 50 seconds on the 5 minutes. See if we can get that respect and break this. And break. 2 minute, 3 minute we can get the break. 2 minute we can get the break. But if we can respect this inverse, that'd be nice. Respect this inverse. I don't want to see us come down no more. Okay. Okay. 3 minute, but I don't like them. We got no wick on a 3 minute. Second left into this 5 minute prints. Okay. Kids in the back crying, but okay. 5 minute printed. Ooh, 5 minute printed. Anything that I'm missing? Maybe this 5 minute right here. Might be something slight, but I'm gonna put it just in case. Might take it right here. I'm gonna put my stop below the lows right here. I'm gonna take out some if we do if we don't push any higher. Big rejection. Give myself some room on the stop. Shorts might do start coming in. We're gonna see. Big pop. 2 minute. Can we get that above? That push above? Yeah, there we go. I might go for these highs right here. So we can get that print. 12 seconds left on a 3 minute. Right there. Let's see. 2 seconds. 8 seconds on that one. We're getting that push. Can we get that continuation? Put my stop a little higher. Give myself some okay. Nice little push. Alright, we're above this. I like that with that. Oh, right above. That's a nice push. Come on, let's get that push. And follow through. What's my target? What's my TP? I might go. Ooh, big rejection. I don't like that. Big rejection. Can we hold that level? Might take out partials if we. I'm gonna take out partials. If we don't get above. If we don't hold. If we don't break this, I'm gonna take out partials. If we don't break this, I'm taking out partials. Look at the 5 minute. I want to see us break. There we go. I'm gonna let this thing run. I'm gonna put my stop at break even. Alright, we breaking. Can we get the close? As long as we get the close, I can see it's the continuation. Let me look at a 1 hour. Look at a 4 hour. Oh, big rejection. Quick, got me on that one. Can we hold this level? Might take out partials. Look at a 2 minute. I don't like that. Well, let's see, 3 minute. Yeah, we good. I think we good. If we can stay above this and don't print below, we good. Come on, big red candle underneath this right here. If we can hold this level right here, that'd be nice to go continue long. 25 seconds on this. Let's hold it. If we don't hold it, come on. Good job. Keep going. 6 seconds later. Sellers are getting absorbed in this. 3, 1 minute, 5 minute. I'm looking at a 15 minute. I ain't really paid attention to that in a minute. ES is still moving sideways, which I'm not liking. Can ES get that continuation going along? Come on, ES. I might take out partials right here. I take out partials. Just to be safe, just in case we get a what's going on? Why is it lagging? There we go. We got 3 runners. Nice trade. Target. Ooh. Okay. Inverse right here. Also right here. Let's see us pushing to that. And then I'm gonna explain why I took this trade. It's like textbook. I could have went heavy, but hey, it's okay though. I like the respect on this inverse too. That was nice. Got the break above. I like that. Move this count. I don't need to hold this. I'll put this right here. On a 3 minute. Let me look on a 5 minute. Ooh, we can get that break on a 5-minute. That push gonna be heavy. I don't want to see it drop hard and then come back up. Come on, get that break. 3-minute got it. 2-minute didn't get it yet. 1-minute got it. So 5 and a 2-minute. 20 seconds left to see. All right, here we go. Uh-oh. Hey, yo, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. It's always like that. Big old rejection, ready to come on in. Come on down. Always coming down. Always trying to take out liquidity. Come on, just go ahead and do it. Just do it. Do the dirt. Do the damage. You know you want to. It's always the case. Even though you got the break on the 1-minute, the 2-minute, the 3-minute, the 5-minute, you gotta just come all the way down to this and then have the little respect right here. It's the same old game every time. Or, okay, holding up, trying to get that push. Can we respect this little? Okay, let's see. Okay, I like that. Hey, respect. Okay, like maybe up 2 of them, not even up all of them. Okay, nice. This might be a nice one. If I might add in, nah. Nah, cause yeah, just print it. See if we can get that continuation. Come on, ES, push. If ES look like it's going up, I don't. NQ is going up. Yeah, it might go up. I think this might be. Ooh. Wait a minute. I might add right here. I'm gonna take off if we do drop though. Can we hold this level? Put my TP back. What's that TP part at? Come on, where you going? There we go. Back up here. Can we hold this level? Sickening. Hold. Unless you want to come back to the to the inverse and then print on the inverse, then I can understand. But it's choppy right here. Come on, let's get that push. Come on. Can we get that build up? Right here. Come on. 30-second. Ooh, come on, respect. Come on, let's go. Go. This is a tough spot. Everybody's trying to get that continuation. You know you gotta take a whole lifespan just to get it. There we go. Come on, let's get that push. I just added more. Let's go. I just added more. Come on, 20 seconds on the 15 minute. 20 seconds on the 5 minute. Come on, let's get that continuation. Come on, 15 minute. Let's go. Come on. Some type of movement. Some type of movement. If not, then I might get out. Take out partials on it. I'm out of 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 it. Just in case we push and, it come back down or something. All right, I take that. I take that. I took out of it. I just didn't, I would like to see a close above all of this before I take the continuation. And even if you get even if the next candle prints and it just pops up. Why do I speak what I'm seeing? Oh my goodness. Even if the next candle prints and it pops up. No. Dang, man. Why did I got out of it because I know it. Well, the reason why I got out of it is because we didn't get the close above this. I wanted to really see a strong close. I didn't expect it to pop like that. I mean, it does that, but not like that. Not like that, bro. Not like that. That would have been it. You gotta really respect your trade. You gotta just accept the loss, accept the wins. It's not about, oh, you know what? I'm up. Can't complain. Should I held my trade? I should have. I had the respect. I had the development. Guess what I didn't have? The execution. The execution. I didn't do the whole execution thing. I left it. I knew the candle was gonna print and I knew it was gonna push up. And what happens? It pushes up crazy into the spot that I really wanted to get out. It's all good though. It's all good. Why is it not on all time frames? Hold up. I gotta change this interval. Change the interval to on all. Let's see if it's on 3, on a 2, on a 1. Yes. Did anybody catch that long? Did anybody? No? That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. I just, man. Man. It is what it is. We can find another trade though. Look at that. Wake's going crazy today. What? Look at these. Big moves. Especially right here though. This is what I was talking about. This right here. Big old bounce right here. This is look like Bounce City right here. Like a coin, Alright, so look, this was first trade. We did good on it. We did good. I got out pretty much right here though. I didn't take the full move, which was it's okay though. I didn't take the full move. I got nervous. I got nervous that we might drop. You never know. It could do some crazy drop, and then you're like, oh no, I lost all my profits. But hey, it's all that matters. It's probability, right? So I kind of got out in this area. Got out right here. Whatever, something right here. Actually, my entry was right here. I'm lying. My entry was right here, and I got out right here. There we go. And I put my stop right there. So I had there we go. So that was first trade. Ain't where everybody at? Y'all not? Anybody saying anything? We were just chopping it up. All right, let's look for another trade. Let's look for another trade. Excuse me. I don't know if he's saying lock up, but hey, I'm locking it. I'm about, man. I'm about to trade more. If I could trade more, I'm gonna take more trades. I'm gonna just be honest. If I could trade more, hey, we're going to be some traders today. That's what we doing. We just gonna trade it. My girl told me, take your time, dude. Hey, how about the shooters gonna shoot? We just gonna shoot it. We gonna just keep on taking plays. We gonna keep on. Why stop when you can? Oh man, continuation. And we'll see. Yeah, I don't like this build down. Like see, and then we got the break. Might build up. If we stop right here, maybe we're gonna see. We're gonna see. You'll know for sure if you print below like this. Okay. Looking for shorts at this rank area. Okay. Okay. Be careful. We're gonna see because it's tough. We're gonna look for them. We're gonna look for them shorts. Let's see. Okay. 15-minute did print. We didn't get a true break. Okay. 1 hour prints in 8 minutes. 1 hour prints in 8 minutes. And we in this range. I don't like ranges. That's one thing I don't like is ranges. Got the inverse right here though. So I like to put the IFVG. People are like, that's not an inverse. I had one dude told me that's not an inverse. When you have this right here and it comes underneath and you go back to respect it, you have inversed because the fair value gap is a positive fair value gap. This is what it meant to be an inverse. If anybody that don't know, see this fair value gap right here? If you're going up and you come back down, you're supposed to be bouncing off that. But the fact that we broke that, literally broke that and reversed into it, it looks like this. That's an inverse because it became an inverse instead of the continuation to go along. Yeah. And this is just your typical short fair value gap. Just a typical fair value gap, not an inverse. The ICT way. Come on, PC, be nice to me. I've been nice to you, and you. This is a really tough spot. I think it's gonna stall right here. Might have to wait that 7 minutes. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, I did. Wait, hold up. Wait a minute. Oh, I didn't. ES can have a continuation to go along? Come on, ES. Where you at? ES is in this range. 6 minutes until all candles print. Now, I just don't like this range ES is in. That's what's getting me. Okay, so Kingdom is looking for a short. We do have an inverse on ES2 as well. We do have an inverse on ES. 1 hour IFVG on ES. This is a 1 hour right here too. And also 1 hour fair you got. What's up? It's Tosin. What's good? Your boy is up 1500. Hey, that's what's up. Good job. 15 big ones. Good job. Are we gonna push into this next fair value gap? Or are we gonna reject right here? Got a 30. I mean, this is a 30-minute, but let me put it anyways, because I like. Actually, no, I'm not, because I don't see no true wick right here. I'm not gonna do it. Might correct in this area and bounce. Interesting level right here. It definitely is, especially that we about to print on all time frames. A 4 hours about to print. I want to see us push a little higher though. That's the catch. I want to see us push a little higher. I might take another long. I might take another long. I might take another long. I might. I'm just looking. I'm looking. If we can respect this, if we can respect this, I might take another long. Fair value gap had a bounce right here. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Can we hold it? I need to see a red candle. If we can have that red candle print, I want to see us push into this next one. 3. Oh, 5 minutes about to print and literally, yeah, never mind. 5 minutes just printed. 5 minutes just printed. Be careful. 5 minutes just printed. Hey, don't get into a trade. If not just anybody, don't get into a trade just because I say get into a trade. If I say I might take a trade and I didn't take the trade, don't take the trade. I mean, this is my own opinion. Just don't do it yet. I might just get into it. Okay, might get into a short-term long right here. Hey, just be careful because it gets crazy. The 5 minutes just printed and we just rejected off that easily. If any of y'all get into this trade, we might see a short. We might see a short. We might see it. Because the only reason I was going to go long is, look, this is the reason why I was going to go long. I was going to go long. Short. This thing do look short. Hey, Kingdom. Hey, Kingdom, you might be right. This thing do look short. You might be right. I was hoping we was going to push into this 1 hour. We might push into it. Hey, we might push it to this 1 hour. The one above right here. We might push into it in the next candle. If the next candle print, we might push into that. It might see a short. We might see it. I just want to be patient, though. Just want to be patient. I don't want to, like, really risk nothing too much. Because it's looking short and long at the same time. The bounce off this, the triple bottoms right here. Stay out this game. Stay out this game. Trust market is being unpredictable right now. Man, I take me. We're gonna do me. I'm playing. Yeah, we're gonna all right. Take toasting advice. Stay out the trade. Because it's about to get real nasty. If we got any news too, because I gotta really make sure that I'm not falling to. I mean, we got President Lagarde speaks, but that ain't nothing. I mean, we ain't got much news. We got crude oil at 9:30, so we good. This might be a short play. Hey, I might take the shorts. 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 I might. At first, I was thinking long. 2 minutes on that. 2 minutes on this. We're gonna see. And I'm gonna give it 2 more minutes. I might take a short. Give it 2 more minutes. Let these candles print. We're gonna see it. You know what? I'm just talking. The reason why I say that is because I'm looking at ES and ES is like a big rejection coming, but we're gonna see. I might be talking too much. All that yapping. We're gonna see. Y'all just be careful though. I don't want y'all. I had Randall told me don't blow no accounts. Keno told me don't blow no accounts. Girl told me don't blow no accounts. I'm just trying to save these accounts. Okay, pushing back up, pushing back up. Okay, well, we tied into a fair value gap or something? I guess so. I mean, I wouldn't call this a fair value. I mean, it is, but man, it's just so tiny. Like a little tiny mini me, you know? All right, let's see. Bounce. Okay, okay, okay. Whoa, hold up. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Big push. Range. Toasting right. We in this range. Nobody's really, no big players are in this right now. They're just waiting for the market to print. We're waiting for this 4 hour. Patience is better than anything. Because why would I want to take a trade knowing that we so low on time? Right? Why would I take a trade if we so low on time? Right? If we so low on time, why take a trade? We got literally 30 seconds left. Ooh, man. This market is not playing. They're trying to, it's like they're setting up traps. Might have to be patient. Too unpredictable. Facts. Too is definitely unpredictable. You ain't never lying. 10 seconds left. 10 seconds left. It almost look like we really want to take out them lows. Wow. But then again, I can't forget this right here. This could be a big old bounce. Gotta make sure that I'm not fooling myself. This could be till like later on in the next week or something. Then we take out this liquidity. All right, so the 4 hour just printed. Okay, 1 hour just printed. We didn't get the break. Okay. We got below the 1 hour fair value gap. Okay. Might see a little push to the long side, just to, you know how the candles do. They like to take out that first and then reject and go the opposite way. We're gonna see. Okay. No brick structure, no trade. This looks, can't tell. I had a feeling it was gonna push up to that long, especially bouncing off that fair value gap like that. Yeah. Picking up speed. People got in long at that point and then got rejected. Got absorbed. Just like that. Just like that. We're just constantly hitting that spot. Constantly hitting that spot. Constantly rejecting. We might push anyways because it just wants to. We just like we hitting up like a yeah. It's like we hitting a cement wall or something. Of course, it's going for that. Of course. I could have honestly took this trade. I was thinking about it too. I really was thinking about it. And hit. That's a strong green bar right there. It's gonna probably reverse but still push up high. You've been subbed for years, bro. Hope you're doing well. What's up, Day? Appreciate the love and support. How can I push? TP gets hit. I was contemplating on taking a trade. We literally printed above this IFVG. I was contemplating on taking a trade though. How many ticks was this? Yeah, nice little 56 ticks. Excuse me. That was a good trade, and I ain't really take it. 15-minute prints in second. In like 4 minutes. The 15 prints in 4 minutes. 30-minute one right here. Might use that as a nice little touch up. 30-minute. Oh, what am I tripping on? This is a 30-minute supply zone right here. What was I thinking? Might push into that. Wow. Beautiful long. That was a beautiful trade, bro. Like the whole trade itself was gorgeous, man. It was top notch. That was man. You don't. I'm not in no trade. Not at all. What I did was I didn't take the trade. I didn't execute. I saw the setup. I just didn't execute. That's all. Saw the setup, hesitated, and then execute. When I set the 30 minute, I didn't realize the 30 minute was there until I went and go, wait a minute, that's a 30 minute right here. Why would I? Why that would have been my target to even get into a long from here. But when I had put that little that long thing right here. What is that? Right here when I put that long, when I had did this right here, I didn't even know they had a 30 minute right here. I was trying to target right here. I didn't know they had this right here. I was like, oh snap, that's the play. Why not take that? But it was too late. It's overextended. I didn't want to just gain three ticks, 3 points, and then nah, that's nothing. Are you nah? All right, 15 minutes left. 15 minutes left. I mean, not 15 minutes. 15 minute. 1 minute left on the 15. 1 minute left on the 15. 1 minute left on the 15. You can see this pattern. It looks like it wants to continue to go long. Shorts did not come in. We got above. Oh yeah, for sure. When you got above this on a 30 minute, you broke that candle. Got above on a 30 minute. Let's look at the 15. 15 above. Long's coming in, of course. 15 right here on a 5 minute. Yeah, duh. Retrace. Couldn't really break the lows on that. Yeah, for sure. Broke this on trend line. Became resistance between support. Yes. Might have a continuation long. We're gonna see. It's a 30 minute is the reversal. If not, then it's gonna continue. It's gonna push, push, push. Push, push, push. Yeah. We're respecting this 30 minute fair value gap though. See if we can get that continuation. Respect on a 2 minute, 1 minute. Respect 5 minutes on that. Seconds. Okay, we got a couple more seconds. Oh, this time frame is about to print, y'all. Oh man. All right, 15 just printed. About to have this like crazy push. Or not. Yeah. Wow. That's a beautiful trade, man. See what happens when you just hold your trades, but these wicks are so long. That's why I really get out of these trades because they look out. That's 60 ticks. I'd be afraid of stuff like that. But I would have held this trade. It's just these wicks are. I can't do it. I don't want to get stopped out and create too much of a too much risk. We're gonna find a trade though. Just be patient. Take our time. We're gonna find one. See if he wants to continue to go long. Okay, wait a minute. All right. Yes. 15 minutes. Respect on that. No, that's not. I don't see that's true respect. Yeah, that is respect. That is respect. But we might see a rejection. We're gonna see. Okay, just waiting on more confirmation that either the long's gonna come in or short. We're just waiting on that confirmation. Man, the waiting game ain't the waiting game ain't nothing serious, huh? Waiting game is something serious. Gotta sit here all day and wait. They're watching me wait. All right, so ES is about to push into that 1 hour fair value gap, that IFVG. We're gonna see. NQ might stall right here just for a while until that probably ES get that quick continuation to that fair value gap. We're gonna see. I think NQ is probably just waiting. Once they get that confluence kick in, that's it. We might see a SMT. We're gonna see. Just gotta be patient. One hour press at 39 minutes though. 9 minutes for the 30-minute. Patience, y'all. Patience. Okay, we're just gonna. All right, it's a tough spot. Guess we're between these zones. All right, let's see what we got. I think we waited a good bit. We got like a couple more minutes into this 1 hour prints. 1 hour or 30-minute prints. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. 2 minutes. Are we gonna get this rejection or what? Are we gonna continue to push higher? I'm trying to see now, y'all. Honestly, I don't think those shorts are ready yet. Look at that big pop. As soon as they just drop a little bit. We're in this range. I'm trying to take one more trade before I get off. One more trade. That's all I'm waiting on. One more trade. We get the one more trade. I get off. Y'all get off. Y'all had a good trade. We have a good day. We don't got to sit on here all day. Be a good day. Just waiting on that trade, y'all. Okay, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. Well, since we are waiting, we got a couple more minutes. Might as well do it. I love doing it. But anyways, here we go. Psalms chapter 34, verse 8. Taste and see that the Lord is good. Blessed is the one who takes refuge in him. Fear the Lord. Respect the Lord. Know that he's the Almighty. You is his holy people. For those who fear him lack nothing. We put our trust and our faith in the Lord, respecting that he's the Almighty. In that way that we fear him, we respect our parents because they are above us as our parents. We fear that they, we can't do nothing against them. It's not good to do anything against them. They bless us. Same thing God is telling us, to fear him. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom, right? And knowledge of the Holy One is understanding. So taste and see the Lord is good. So that's a parable. Give the Lord a try. Try him out and see how blessed your life will become, right? But if you don't just listen to God's word, you must do what it says. Otherwise, you are only fooling yourselves. James chapter 1, verse 22. For if you listen to the word and don't obey, it's like glancing at your face in the mirror. You see yourself, you walk away and forget what you look like. But if you look carefully into the perfect law that sets you free, and if you do what it says and don't forget what you heard, then God will bless you for doing it. Guys, we can't just be doers of the words and just not do what it says. We can't be like, yeah, praise God and he's got our back. You got to do the work. He wants to see that you really love him. He wants to see that you really obey him and committed to him. You can't just say that you love God and still live a sinful and fleshly life. You have to live in the spirit. Pin your flesh to the cross, pick up your cross daily, and walk every day picking up your cross, living a holy life, a repentant life, right? Or obedient life to God. You do these things, you will be blessed. And God, you will have spiritual gifts, you will have a peaceful life, and you will find yourself as a whole new creation. Do away with your old selves, right? Do away with your old selves. Become new creation in God. Psalms chapter 34, verse 8. Taste and see that the Lord is good. If you give God a chance, give him a chance. Pray to him continually. Seek him continually. Right? We're gonna do that. We're gonna continue to seek God and pray to him. And pray for things when it's hard. Pray for times when it's blessed and we are thankful. Just pray to him. Talk to him. He's there. He never leaves our side. He allows us to hurt our own selves. He allows us to have free will to do damage to our own selves. But if we continue to put our faith and trust in him, he's going to be a lamp to our feet and a light to our path. Give your trust to God, and he will establish your ways. Big push up. All right. Big push. All right, so we are pushing. Wow, we are pushing. Big pushing. Once we going for that liquidity above. What is right here? What is this? Wow, another zone that I didn't even see. I gotta stop. I gotta stop paying attention. Really gotta stop paying attention. Big time. Yeah, I gotta stop paying a lot more, a lot more attention. How did I miss that zone? That big old block. Like seriously. Like how did I miss that? All right. I don't like chasing price though, and I don't like being between two zones. That's why I don't like trading. You like why you like say why you don't get the longs? Why not the longs? I don't like when I don't like being between two zones where we could constantly pivot, bounce up and down. I don't like that. I don't like being in between two because it just shows that we can be bouncing and I don't like it. But if we like down here somewhere where there's really no zones, I can respect this more because it's much more easy to see if it can hold on its own without having an actual heavy zone or a heavy a low volume node point. Then I can respect this more. Compared to this might be bounce, 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 week, 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 bounce up like this right here. See how much we bounced right here? I don't like that type of stuff. I really don't like that. Closing 15 minute, 15 minutes just close. We got the break. Can we get the rejection? Let's see. I need to ask for you, Siri. See right here, rejection. I won't consider that a fair value gap. I don't like that. Go back over here, see. Okay, inverse right here on the 3 minute, which I like. I see why. That's must why I put that in the first place. It's probably why I put that in the first place. It's probably why. A 2 minute. Might push up a little longer. I might go for another long. We're gonna see. I might go for another long, y'all. Might see if I can find a good long entry. If these shorts don't come in. We are rejected. We might reject out this 15-minute supply, but I would like to see us go into that whatever you got. Gotta get a new computer. Oh, big imbalance below. Alright, let's see. Uh-huh. It's just pushing. It's just grinding higher and higher. I would like to see one red bar, at least one red bar. At least one. See if we got any balances on a 100 tick chart. A 100 tick chart. We do. We got a lot more imbalances. Ooh, a lot more imbalances. See if we got any more. Yeah. Zero prints right here for sure. Zero prints right here. We're gonna see if we can take that out. They got a big one right here. This one right here would be nice to feel. Right here. Shoo. Push back up to the highs. Of course. Might move sideways at this point. Gotta be careful. Oh, missed the spot on. Yes, we're in a 1 hour fair value gap on ES. How did I miss that? Might see a rejection over here. If we go into that previous day high and reject maybe. We're gonna see. What are you doing, ES? Are we gonna reject right here or not? We're gonna see. Had a feeling it was gonna push into it. We're gonna see. See if this is a rejection point. See if we can get any type of correction, any type of retracement, any type of break of structure to go short. And if not, then you're gonna see a continuation going long. We're gonna see. I like on the 50-minute that we don't really have a bar. I would like to see us just come back down. And we don't see the buyers drying up, and that's another indication that we might continue to go long. Just not seeing no buyers dry up, 22 minutes on the 1 hour. That's tricky. Yeah. ticks. 77 ticks to 77 ticks times 5. 385. Well, I lost all my profits on that push move up off of 1 micro, 1 mini. I mean, 776. See what happens if I would have did 0.5 times 5, 2.5 times 77, 192. Half profits lost if I only went into 5. Went into 5. See if how many ticks would this been? About 140. 140 times 2.5. Excuse me. 140 times 2.5. Come on, computer. I mean, laptop. There we go. 140 times 2.5. 350 on top of that. 800. Ugh. $19, 19 minutes on that. Big push. Another what you call it? Something above on ES. 30-minute fair value gap above on ES. I hope we don't see no continuation to the longs. I would like to see a rejection, but if not, I might have to look for a long play. Definitely like a wait a minute. I mean, could you consider that a 1 hour? Yeah, that may be a 1 hour. That might be a 1 hour. One hour on ES. Might see a continuation to the longs. Got stopped out probably. This might be a stop out play. This might be when I get stopped out at. If ES don't reject this fair value you got right here, we might get stopped. This is a stop out play. We're gonna see. 30-minute. That's a 30-minute right there. It might have to push into that on ES 30-minute. Rejection. Rejection on NQ 15-minute. 15-minute. All right. We're gonna see. Can we get the rejection right here? 5-minute above. We took it out already. Fair value gap above. Did we take that out? No. No, we did not. Ooh. Oh snap. We might continue to push long. But ES, at what cost though? Because ES might sit around. I mean, NQ might just sit around until ES get that full push. We're gonna see. This is a fair value gap. Oh, fair value gap from 5-minute fair value gap on ES. All right, so I'm setting these zones just in case I can use ES and NQ as confluence, while NQ probably gonna sit around in this area and play around. Really want to see either ES reject right here or continue to push above that previous day high. So ES is above the previous day high. I would like to see a rejection. If ES don't reject, then probably for sure we might be going long. I gotta look at a 5-minute, 15-minute, 1 minute on a 15-minute, 60 minutes on that. Yeah, we might see a continuation to the longs. I'm gonna take this off because I think that the longs coming in for NQ2 as well. You might say, oh, that's rejection. Look at these wicks. Look how it's underneath. Hey, that's cool and all. That's cool and all. But at the same time, the trend is still long. So why fight the trend unless you got confirmation that the short's gonna come in? We gotta get confirmation that these shorts gonna come in. Otherwise, sellers gonna get absorbed. Buyers gonna keep going, just be passive, right? So if buyers are passive and the sellers are constantly getting absorbed, we keep building, keep dropping, keep building, keep dropping, keep building. And it looks like we're hitting a wall. And okay, ES is pushing hard right now. ES is pushing hard. Can NQ hold this level and then reject once if ES gets to a certain point, can NQ hold this level and then wait for the rejection? They both reject at the same time. That's all I'm waiting for. ES is pushing. I'm gonna show y'all the zones that I placed on ES too, so y'all can see it, so y'all don't think I'm lying. Here y'all go. Right here. These are the zones. And here's a rejection. Big rejection. Big rejection. Oh my goodness, in like a second. They didn't even give me a chance to even look at it. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. They didn't even give me a chance. Wow. 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 Beautiful. Beautiful trade. That was it. That was my trade. Wow. Beautiful trade. Wow. I didn't think it was going to reject that fast. I didn't think ES is going to literally reject like that. Big rejection. Rejection comes correction. That was a nice little trade. I ain't gonna lie. I did not think that was gonna come in like that. Goodness. Look at that push. Nice push too. Might see a long. I might have to get a long right here. I'm gonna see if I can find a long in this trade. See if I can find a long in this trade. 5 minutes bounce off that. I like that. I want to see if I can find a long in this trade. I just gotta be patient and wait for the market to develop. 13 minutes left on a 1 hour. See if we can get that push. Right here, I like that. If we can get that push above this, that'd be nice. I just gotta be more patient. Wait for a setup. Wait for more confirmation. Wait for a seller try to break back down and it don't break. Done for about damn time. Done for the day. Hey, you caught that Kingdom? You caught that trade? Let me know. Hey, see, I be doubting it. And then the moment I doubt, it's like the moment, like that one little itty bitty second left, I doubt the trade happens. Man, you wait so long and then it's like, nah, I'm gonna take this off. You see me, I'm gonna take this off. And then it drops. Like, what is it? Y'all watching me play now? What's going on? What's going on? But hey, did you catch that? It took, bro. It took. I was waiting for it. I literally like, okay, like come on. If it's not gonna do it, then like ES did it. It literally pushed, and then it finally rejected. But that rejection was crucial. Like it was criminal. I ain't gonna lie. Getting that push, we getting that push. 5 minute prints in 2 minutes. 3 minute prints in like a second. Along with one. Okay, here we go. I want to go long too, but that's what's up. Dang, that long look good, but man, these buyers look. It just looks. It don't. I don't like this. I don't like that. I don't like that. I like this though. I would expect us to kind of like, you know what I'm saying, like play around. I didn't want to just take a long just yet. Just go crazy. Just go crazy just yet. Let's see if we can get that continuation. See if we can get a retrace, and maybe continue long. If not, then we might, But we are below the previous day high. We are below the previous day high in ES. We rejected big time, but the rejection wasn't strong enough to continue to go short. So we might see a continuation to go long. I like this trade right here. I really do. I would like to see us hold this play right here and continue to go long. See if I can find a level somewhere where we can play at. We might hold these levels right here. We're gonna see. Wait for these candles to print. No chasing, no chasing, no chasing price. Broke even, got stopped out, going for the short. We have you on a rejection up a cool 800. I started doing everything else. It's so funny when I trade, bro. I'm telling you, it's so crazy. I can wait an hour, 2 hours. I'm about to I'm about to just remove this. I'm about to remove that. Every time. It's so crazy. So crazy, man. Man, that rejection was perfect. That's the game, huh? That's the game. It's not about being right. It's about executing and taking that trade. And don't be afraid to take that trade. Accept the loss. And that's one of the rules I'm breaking. Even though I didn't take the trade, I broke my rule. I didn't accept the loss. I didn't accept it. I didn't accept it for what it was. Hold on. Okay. We pushing? Dang, pushing like that? Come on now. Don't do it. Don't do that. Hold on. Be right back. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Go printing, pushing, 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 pushing. Alright, let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do here. Right, let's see, let's see. Alright, we got the close on 1 minute above. I like that. Can we get that continuation? We got a fair value gap. Oh damn, we pushed off that fair value gap perfectly. Damn, how I missed that. Nice push off that, nice respect. Might have a continuation too. Right here. See if we can tap into that. They may not gonna give us that discount. It's okay though. It's okay though. They may not give us that discount. It's okay though. They don't have to give us nothing. Uh that's it's a weird formation it's building. Am I missing my trade? Hold on, hold on. Am I missing my trade? Am I missing my trade? Am I missing my trade? I think I am. I might. Do I want to take this? Do I want to take this? Do I want to accept the risk? I'm gonna wait. 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 If I wait, it's gonna take off. If I wait, it's gonna take off. If I wait, it's gonna take off. If I wait, I'm gonna just see if it can respect this zone. If it can respect this, I might take another trade. Let me look at. I'm looking at a high time frame. Let me look at a high time frame. Pushing, 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 pushing. Respect. Seconds left on that. We didn't get the close above. Okay, that's cool though. ES can't ES. Can't ES. Okay, we got the above. Okay. Yes, rejected. Okay, can we stay above that previous day high on ES? Wow, 1 hour about to print in 5 minutes. Okay, I need to wait. Cause that 1 hour about to print and I'm trying to feel long, you're crazy. In this extension, I'm tripping. I need to get my mind right. We in this big old extension. Should I be worrying about a long right now? I don't think so. I think I need to be paying attention to if we might drop right here or something. Good thing I didn't take that long. Looking at a higher time frame really puts you in perspective on how much time we got left. You don't want to take an overextended trade in a short amount of time in a higher time frame. So I'm gonna be careful with that. Good job everybody that took their good trades though. Might have to call it a day because just preserve capital. Right underneath the previous day high on ES. Can we get that push? $4 on that is crazy. Right across. All right, almost done, y'all. Shorts might come back in. Let me get this short. 940. 2 more minutes left. 2 more minutes until everything prints. And then we probably can get a direction. I might take one more trade. Alright, you got right here on the 30. Could be a nice little short. Rejection on this point right here. See if we can get this rejection. Caught that short again? Boy. He caught that short again. Boy on the roll. Doing the thing, huh? Good job. Out here performing. I'm just being patient. Be patient. I want the bigger move though. I'm not. I feel you. I feel you. Hey, it be like that. It be like that. Bing bop. Get in, get out. Don't even play around. Take no chances. All right, we about to print. We about to print. We about to print. This is it. This is it. This is it. The big moves don't pay though. The big moves does pay though for sure. We about to print. Here we go. 10 seconds. Here we go. Let's go. Let's print. Print for the win. Or we're gonna chop around. Here we go. Uh-oh, we didn't break. We didn't break. Push it maybe a little bit more. Oh yeah. Yeah. Hold up. Yeah. We also gotta hold up. Let's see what happens right here. Can this move play out? Can this little 1 minute play out? About to see. About to see. Rejection underneath the previous day high on ES. Even though ES might have that big old push to the longs. Click on the longs, right? We got underneath the fair value gap on ES, right? I like that. I like that. Well, can we continue along? Look at the daily real quick. Yeah, we might continue along. I'm gonna look at the daily on here. That thing do look on. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't gonna hold you at all. That looks like we're going to the tippy top. If you get above this, gotta take that long. Even though we ain't got that wick underneath that 1 hour. Even though we're gonna see though. Can this be SMT? Can this be SMT? Oui, SMT. We're gonna see though. Nah, that definitely ain't it, Chief. That definitely ain't it. We don't wanna get faked out. We didn't get the break though. So why would we push? ES, why would we push if we didn't get the break? Got above. Are we gonna continue? You show me that you can respect this right here and then push higher, I'm gonna go long. If you don't, then why are we pushing? Right underneath that move. Wow. I don't know why I feel like a big rejection is coming soon. Come on. These gotta be the signs of a rejection. If not, then it is what it is. One more trade before I get off. That's the plan. One more trade before I get off. We tapped into it. Show me the close above. I know I'm missing something. I know I'm missing something that's like so important right now on NQ. I just gotta find it. We got a lot of liquidity above. A lot of little liquidity. A lot of liquidity. A lot of them. A lot of little high points that we can push into. I'm just not seeing where another zone may be. All right, I need to pay attention. All right, so ES is struggling in this range. Might be sideways, might be sideways. If ES can hold this range, I might see a long. If we can't hold this range, then I might try to go short. But I'm just trying to see if we can stay above this range. ES is struggling against some high liquidity areas, and Q is struggling against some strong levels. Right, we in some strong levels right now, so it's decision making time. Right, we in decision making time, so we gotta be careful right here. ES like it's what ES wants to reject off the previous day high, but it also looks like it wants to pump as well. We're gonna see. You don't want to get faked out. Waiting for the push, waiting for the push. If not, then you know what happens. Prince in 30 seconds. The 1 hour is confluence with the 5 minute, and I'm looking for the rejection. If the 1 hour on NQ is rejecting at this point, I'm looking for rejection. Can we reject this point? That's the question. About to hit the gym. Catch you on a live tomorrow, bro. Glory be to God. God bless you, brother. But hey, for real, do like a hundred push pull legs for me. Hey, have a good one for real. Go get that good workout. That good workout. That Ronnie Coleman workout. Lightweight. Alright, so we pushing. But the 5 minute didn't print. I mean the 5 minute didn't close above. Take out liquidity first. Then reject. Yeah, take out liquidity first. Should known. Should have known ES wanted to take it out first. Yup. I said I was gonna take this long, but I didn't. Alright. What we doing, ES? What we doing? Are you holding or are you gonna drop? Alright, so wow, ES is right below the previous day high. Can we get that? Can we get that final rejection? Is this the rejection gonna come in? I would hope so. If not, then we're gonna continue long. I want to see us like come back down and just push. We got 1,000 at the 100 tick chart. So we got any balances below. No, we just keep filling them. We just keep filling them. No one might about to play out right now. Oh, of course. Yeah, I might have to get off, y'all. I'm getting exhausted. I'm getting exhausted. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Oh, we're gonna see right here. Okay, we get some momentum, some traction. Maybe catch a trade. Are we finally getting a rejection right here? Mm. Hmm. They hit it right there. Perfect hit. Uh, I'm gonna wait till a breaker structure. I'm gonna wait till a breaker structure. I'm gonna wait till a breaker structure before I finish the trade. Breaker structure, then I really get into it. Could this be the short? Could be. Mm. This gotta be the big rejection. Big candle. Wicked out. Tell me this is a short play? Nah. Hmm. If we don't respect this area, I might have to get out. This might be the shorts. If we don't respect this. Hmm. No respect. I scaled out. No respect. Since we didn't break for so long, maybe that's the reason why we're going short. Might have to change my bias. Might have to change the bias. Let's see a deeper pullback maybe. I'm gonna add it right here if we didn't get the break. Gotta wait. I'm gonna wait. Once I get the break. Respect. No respect. Rejection. Then it just wicks me out. It's crazy. Might be a hard play if we keep rejecting right here. Might have to get out of this. Right above on the ES. Can we get that break on ES? Let's get out of this. What was that? What was that? Choppy, bro. Got caught into the chop. I'm waiting for the breakout. I really am. I'm just trying to see if it's gonna break high or break low so I can take this final trade and get off. A lot of fake outs. I think we're gonna get that rejection. I think we're gonna get this rejection, especially with ES constantly going back and forth on a previous day high. But I would like to see us continue long. Well, broke even on the day, really. Choppy, look at this. Like, how you reading this? Let me see if I put a 5 minute right here. If you respect this. Really chop. Really chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Either we're gonna respect this or close above it. Let me put a different color right here so I can see it better. There we go. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, I might get off, y'all. Man, I like this long. I really do. I just wanted to break. But I don't have to. I can reject right here. I might get off. I know that it just. I think it's trying to look for more liquidity. Then gonna bounce. Then the rejection coming. I want it, bro. It looks better. It looks bullish. It really do. I might get off. I might get off because I got some stuff that I gotta attend to. This might be the shorts. I want to see if it's gonna come out like. Let me see. See, 2 minute. Yeah, NQ right back at that point. You know what happens if we don't break, right? If we don't constantly go up, got to go down. It's gonna bounce off the 22,800. What up, Daniel? Bounce off the 22,800. Yeah, but we got 1 minute left. 1 minute left on the 30 minute. If it don't break, bro. If it don't break, I think you kind of know where this market may be going. Down, 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 down. Bounce off the 800 level. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Ten seconds left. 10 seconds left, and then I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna get off if nothing happens. But look at this. Look at this wick though. This hammer right here. Sheesh. On this 5 minute, 15 minute. Strong rejection. We're gonna see. And 3, 2, 1. Could be range, y'all. Could be range. Could be range. We can stay above this level. Hey, I would like to see us stay above this. If we can stay above this level, I'm gonna keep my stop tight. If we can stay above this level right here, I'm gonna add more. What I say, gang? What I say? I mean, yeah, look, I've been having this half point this whole time. That's actually been my point this whole time. But I give you your credit. I've been having this thing up like I had this thing up since 9:30, 9:40. It's actually 10:31. What I say, gang? That's the one. Move up, take profit in case. Yeah, I mean, I like big moves and I don't. I mean, I'm not a scalper though. I would like to see us play. I would like to see us take out more liquidity for the highs. I would like to see us continue to go long. You know? But if it don't happen, it don't happen. I don't want to see us reject. Hey, for sure. Good job though. Yeah, Krabs, you can make money off this. You could definitely make money off this. I got a lot of payouts if you want to see them. But that's not the brag. Just I can show you payouts I took from prop firms and stuff. Oh, they not letting nobody in this thing. They crazy. We in there, gang. Oh man, we got a fair you got right here. Why we had to have a fair you got right here? Like why? Like why? Why when you push it gotta be like that? Dang, that's a big drop. That's a big wick. I gotta be careful right here. Might get nasty right here. Can we stay above? Can we stay above? Cause I would like to add more. I really would. I think I added too much right here. Yeah, watch out. It's a tough spot. I gotta be careful. I'm gonna take our partials right here. Take our partials right here. Bro, it's funny how it's like it. Oh my goodness, bro. It might push though. We're gonna see. But I don't like these wicks. I don't like this. I don't like this build down. Let's see. Don't like that candle. But then again, it looks good. It looks good. It looks good. Might hold it. Might hold this trade for the highs. It was a good trade. I just took out too early. It's a good trade. What I said, when we print above this, when we get above this block right here, we might see a continuation, but we got to see the continuation. I don't want to print and then don't go nowhere. Put my stop and break in. I don't feel like losing no money. I'm gonna just put my stop and break even. See if we can respect this. I mean, see if we can break this, not respect this. I want to see it break this. I don't want to see us reject this. Hey, oh, and we had half point. So this is a tricky spot because look, we have half point of this this supply zone. So it might get scary out here. We got 3 seconds left. Oh man. Oh man. Can we push? Hey, I see some signs too, but I gotta see the continuation. It gotta have the continuation. I gotta see the continuation. There we go. Can we push? People looking for longs too. People was actually looking for shorts. But we got above that previous day high on ES, so that's a good sign. There we go. Might go back to, damn, I should have left those two ahead in there. Should have took that risk, Got to take that risk. Might take our partials right here. I want to see if ES can push a little bit more. Just passed my funded. Good job. Good job. Good job. Ooh. Pass the funded. Hey, y'all. Hey, toast and pass the funded, y'all. That's what's up. God bless, man. Good job, bro. Good job, for real. Proud of you. Doing the work. Putting in that grind. Being patient. Hard work pays off. Get into the payouts. Good job. Good job. Good seeing you doing that good work, man. Good job. Proud of you. Really am. Good job. Hey, can't wait to see it. I can't wait to hear about it. Tell me all about them trades, man. Do your thing. All right, yeah, just push. I'm about to get out. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna take my partials and get out. All right, 270. 270. I'll take it. I'm done for the day. I'm just tired. I think I studied enough. Even if we push to the moon, I think I studied enough. I'm tired, y'all. I'm exhausted. We might push all the way up here and take out some more highs. I'm tired, bro. I'm about to get off. I hope y'all really enjoyed the stream. We've been on for a good bit. Really hope y'all enjoying the stream. I'm about to turn this off, man. I'm tired. I was up for something, but I just, man, gotta get to that word though. Gotta get to that word. Psalms 34. Taste and see that the Lord is good. Blessed is the one who takes refuge in him. Fear the Lord. You is his holy people. You're holy. For those who fear him lack nothing. We respect the Lord. We pray to the Lord. We thank the Lord. We spend all of our time with the Lord, and he will continue to spend time with us and bless us. He loves us. He's our holy Father, right? Remember, we don't just listen to God's word. We must do what it says. Otherwise, you are only fooling yourself if you listen to the word and don't obey. Obey. It's like glancing at your face in the mirror. You see your face, you walk away and forgot what you look like. But if you look carefully into the perfect law that sets you free, if you do what it says and don't forget what you heard, then God will bless you for doing it. God is keeping it simple with us. God bless y'all. Good job, Tosin. God bless everybody in the chat. We're gonna get back to it tomorrow. Sleepy. I'm gonna go get some little rest. I hope y'all have a good day, and I'll see you.